Hey folks, it's Mark Kelly once again with Inbound Revenue. Reach out to us if you have any Google Ads needs or anything else, just questions, or you just want to chat. I'm going to talk about one of the tougher niches that we work in because it's so competitive is the window replacement niche. And in this, I pulled up the last 60 days for this account just to show you a couple of things. First of all, we've generated a nice number of leads. 58 leads at $100 a lead roughly, and we've got a $100 a day budget. So it's basically a lead a day that we're driving in. And as you know, with replacement windows, you can spend a small fortune on replacing multiple windows. And it's extremely competitive because there's national players in here. There's all the coupons. Everyone that gets a Valpak or whatever is going to have window replacement coupons in there. There's a lot of big players in this niche. But not only have we gotten them a nice continual flow of leads, but I want to show you one of the things that we do with all of our clients as we move on from month one type of thing. Month two, we start to run different A/B tests. Now, an A/B test is basically exactly what it sounds. You're going to take and you're going to change one thing. You're going to compare A to B. There are other tests that are more complex and maybe harder to really know whether you got the correct result, but because we're dealing with relatively low numbers of impressions and clicks typically, we run A/B tests and we run them very effectively. In this case, you can see that the A/B test that we ran is simply to test max conversions versus manual CPC. And the early results are good. Now, why do you test this? Because every market can be different. Every campaign can be different. So you don't want to just make a change. You don't want to just say, we always do this. You want to do what works best for this particular client, in this particular campaign, in this particular case. So you can see the early results so far for max conversions is good. It's got a higher click-through rate. It's got a lower average cost per click. It's generated 11 conversions, slightly lower conversion rate, but a 20% lower cost per conversion. So you do have a lower conversion rate. You got a much lower cost per conversion. So as it nears the time where we feel we've got enough data to make a decision whether that's a choice that we want to make to take this to max conversions, you have to weigh the fact that if it's still producing fewer conversions, that's okay because we have a lower cost per conversion and it's going to generate a higher return on ad spend for the client. So those are the types of things that we do for all of our clients. This is a window replacement client, so this is someone in a really tough niche, a really competitive niche that we're driving great results for. If you're in the window replacement business or you just want to talk about Google Ads, reach out to me. Inbound Revenue. I'm Mark Kelly. It's good to talk to you again.